Hey, welcome back to Practical Tools Explained. Today I'm looking at PixVerse, AI video generation for small businesses. No camera, no crew, no excuses. I've spent some real time. There are 3 things worth knowing about PixVerse. Text to video. Describe a scene in 1 sentence. Get a 5 to 10 second video clip back. Use it as B-roll for any piece of content without filming anything. You've also got real business use cases, product demonstrations. My scores, I gave ease of use at 80, features at 80, value for money 80, and support 70. Solid across the board, especially for the price. Things I genuinely liked. Eliminates the need for B-roll footage for most business content types. No subscription required. Pay per second of generated footage. Motion quality outperforms competing tools at this price point. I'm giving PixVerse an 8 out of 10. If you're serious about AI video generation, it's worth trying. Link to get started free is in the description.